launch of Grazia's December issue. We have the absolutely gorgeous cover girl with us today. Of course, Priyanka is a perfect choice to lead them all. In fact, I'd like to... And without pulling this out too long, I'm going to hand it over to our star here. Priyanka, if you could tell us what it was like to shoot with Grazia.
Good evening everyone. First and foremost, it's always lovely to come to a Reliance store. For me, I'm like a child in a toy shop because I'm techie and all my favorite gadgets are always in all the Reliance stores. So मैं आते हैं तो ढूंढती हूँ कि मुझे अगला नई चीज़ क्या खरीदनी है. So I'm very happy to be here. Thank you so much, Nikhil, for having me as always. I have to say, Grazia is a very, to me at least, a very fashion-forward magazine for this country. And to be on the December cover was lovely. We had so much fun in the shoot. It was very collaborative. We brought together, it was just creative, and I think that's why it turned out as fun as it has. Because we just all borrowed somebody's something, somebody's shoes, somebody's jacket, and put together stuff. And I think eventually that's what fashion is about, feeling good in whatever you're comfortable in. So I'm very, very happy and grateful to be on the December cover.
Thank you for this very, very kind words. And I'm going to now ask you to formally unveil our cover.
अरे सुनना स्टॉप करके स्टॉप करना स्टॉप करके ऑन करना माइक कहाँ है
This is a game we are playing on very serious. As you all know, I don't mess around when it comes to all my gadgets. Yes, आप क्या सोचते हो? My favorite gadget.
नीचे बैठ
सुना है ये पहले.
अरे नीचे बैठ अरे नीचे बैठ
Sorry, मेरी आवाज़ नहीं ठीक है.
We'll keep it open for the press now. Thank you. You can just ask.
No questions from the press. You're letting me be? ऐसा कैसे हो गया? पीछे बोल रहा हूँ.
क्यों बोला था तो बंद करके वो शुरू कर दिया। इंडियन चल रहा है। हाँ तो गलत है, इंडियन चल रहा था। तेरा बुक कहाँ लगा के रखा था? लगा के रखा नहीं इतना वाइड मेरा बुक इधर है।
No questions? It's okay. I'm very happy with
Priyanka, hi.
yeah.
Yay. I'll start with a quite an obvious question, but you've shot so many covers. If you had your own magazine and if you had to put someone on the cover, how would you style that person and who would you want?
I think the one person, first how I would like to style people on my cover is I think it's very important to have a personality of your cover girl or your cover person. It's extremely important that a picture speaks about who they are rather than trying to put them in a mold of something. And if I had to make someone my cover girl, let's see, a female or a male?
Anything you want.
I would like to make Amitabh Bachchan my cover. I think he's an all-time amazing, sexy cover guy.
And what about a couple? If you had to put a couple. A couple or a couple?
Wow. A couple. Me and my mystery. Whenever we find out who it is, and when I'm ready to talk about it, because I think that will be the best cover.
Okay, perfect.
Hi, Priyanka. Firstly, congratulations for winning the award 2 days back in Stardust for Best Actress for Marino.
Thank you.
But you were missing from the event, and on the same day, you even tweeted a selfie with your mom, and a tweet on politics is an art. So, can I know what the reason was?
I do a lot of various things. What I needed to say, I said. And what you need to interpret, you need to interpret. It was as simple as that.
2014 has been a great year for you. So, what are you expecting from the from 2015?
Obviously, हर साल हम चाहते हैं कि दूसरा साल एक से बढ़कर एक हो. I have some really interesting films that I'm doing, which I'm looking forward to. Dil Dhadakne Do, Bajirao, Banerjee. And on top of that, I'm entering into some really new, interesting ventures when it comes to my music, when it comes to my company, and a few things that I'm doing. So I think 2015 for me will be a year of change, a year of evolution. Anyway, I try and do that always. कि थोड़ा change करती रहूँ, मैं अपने आप को grow करती रहूँ. But next year I'm taking a lot of new steps in a lot of new directions. Producer भी बनी हूँ. So I'm excited about the new things that I'm taking on.
Why did you miss out on the award just for a post?
I still got it, no? One went into it. It's okay.
Hi Priyanka, how are you?
Hi.
What are your New Year plans?
I'm going with my family and my friends. We have a house outside of Bombay. मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ? तुम लिख दोगी, परेशानी हो जाएगी. तो I'm going with my family and friends. 4.5 day का holiday है. मेरे पास 4.5 day. Very important.
Enjoy. Bhavna, hi. This is Sunita from India today. Sorry, Priyanka. Priyanka, hi. Really sorry.
भावना कितना impression छोड़ा है तुमने सोचो अपने सवाल से या जवाब से?
मैं actually बस सवाल कर रही हूँ इसलिए जैसा. Priyanka, hi. This is Sunita from India today. Priyanka, ये प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं है, जाहिर सी बात है, फिर भी ये सवाल आपसे जरूर बनता है. पेशावर में जिस तरह से बच्चों की हत्या की गई है आतंकवादियों के द्वारा, तो आप क्या कहेंगे एज अ सेलिब्रिटी, एज अ वुमन?
और मैंने लिखा भी था इसके बारे में. I think कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती हैं जिंदगी में जो हमने एटलीस्ट अपनी इस जिंदगी में देख पाए हैं, जिनके बारे में शब्द नहीं होते. एंड मुझे याद है आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग दैट डे, मैं लाउंज में बैठी थी एयरपोर्ट पे, एंड आई वाज वेटिंग फॉर माय फ्लाइट एंड आई जस्ट केप्ट वाचिंग टीवी एंड I just could kept crying. मतलब I have no explanation, no words. कावर्ड्स कहें, विम्स कहें, कौन ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो किसी भी चीज़ के नाम पे, चाहे वो रिलीजन हो, चाहे वो भगवान हो, चाहे वो किसी की चीज़ के नाम पे आप बच्चों से कैसे लड़ाई लड़ सकते हो, वो बात समझ में नहीं आई मुझे थोड़ी सी. एंड आई थिंक इट्स एक्सट्रीमली पेनफुल ह्यूमैनिटी के लिए काला धब्बा है ये। चाहे कोई भी रीज़न हो, बहुत सारे रीजंस होते हैं, लोग अपने अपने एक्शंस को जस्टिफाई करने के लिए बोलते हैं कि इस वजह से हमने ये किया या उस वजह से हमने किया। कोई भी वजह जस्टिफाई नहीं करती कि आप 100 से ज़्यादा बच्चों को पॉइंट ब्लैंक शूट करते हैं। इट्स स्पीचलेस।
Priyanka, coming back to you again, just a couple of days ago, you were sort of dragged into a little bit of controversy with regards to the spa in Lokpala and Versova, basically. Any clarification you would want to give on your?
I've clarified it many times. I think you should ask the cops around the area. It's a case that is ongoing at the moment. It was a place, my place, which I gave out on rent. हम लोग tenants के घर में जाके check तो करते नहीं हैं वो क्या कर रहे हैं. But we are law-abiding citizens, and as of now, the spa is running. So obviously the police have not stopped it. So whatever they tell us to do, we'll do. As of now, nothing has happened. It's still staff choice. Anything else?
Hi, so we're just going to call like 5 online winners on stage and get a picture click with you. Do you have any questions? Does anyone want to ask a question to Priyanka?
I just want to know that how is it experiencing coming to Reliance Digital Store?
मैंने तो पहले ही बोल दिया था मेरा favorite होता है.
Today.
Whenever I walk into the Reliance store ना, I think निखिल भाई सबसे ज़्यादा stress लगने लगते हैं. क्योंकि उनको पता है कि मेरी नज़र जहाँ जाएगी उनको वो गिफ्ट देना पड़ेगा मुझे. तो आज मैं चलते चलते बता दूंगी आपको मेरी नज़र किस चीज़ पे पड़ रही है. Thank you so much to all of you for coming. It's been wonderful.
The 5 online customers to please come on.
I think we're done. So much for coming to our unveiling of the Grazia cover, and good evening to you all. And would you like to pose for something? Shall we take some pictures?
फोटो बैठना विनोद बैठना विनोद विनोद बैठना विनोद बैठना।
Much for coming. It's been a wonderful evening, and thank you for taking the time out. We're very busy schedule, and happy holidays. I hope you have a happy